Well, hello again. It's Will Stroll here from Upendo Ventures, and we're going to have another quick video to show you something else we just released. So we got the next version of Upendo Prompt coming out, and in this version we added a brand new command for you. In fact, two commands. So I just wanted to demo those real quick. And speaking of demos, that's what all this is about. So like being able to do demos either for yourself or for your development or for your sales process, for your team, having some fun usernames just really quickly added to your site, so that way you can just use them and do your thing. All right, so prompt, if you don't already know, we're not going to do a full tutorial on that, but prompt is right here in the persona bar. And if we hit help, we can see all the Upendo commands. Some of those will in the future be moving, but the ones that we're really concerned about is first set-demousers, and then also delete-demousers. So in one, we're going to create demo users for your website. In the other, we will delete them, right? So that way you can just be nice and clean about it. You don't have to worry about it. So if I click on it though, we can see the help information for it. And so you can see what it does and the command parameters that it might have. In this case, there's no flags or options. And then the messages that might come out, right? And then if we were to look at the other one, I'm going to just change that to delete demo users. Now we can see the same thing, but for the delete command specifically. Now, right now I haven't done anything yet, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you a couple views. I'm going to refresh the page right after. So right now you see that there's no other users on here at all. There's none. And I'm going to change it back. And oops. Didn't mean to do that. Clicked on it if you don't know what I did. Anyhow, there's no, nothing in the recycle bin either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to prompt. I'm going to refresh the page. There we go. So we got a fresh page load. And I'm going to real quick run the command to allow us to add the demo users. So here we go. Set-demo users. We hit enter, and then it says it successfully created a number of users here. So that's pretty awesome. And it says we saved some time together. Yay! Right? So now that I have the fresh page load, the reason I did that is so that way when I hit users again, it's using the most current data, right? Because it's SPA. So there we go. We can see all the user accounts in there. And furthermore, if I want to show you, so one of those, and they're all using the same password, which is in the documentation. So if I want to log in as one of them, let's choose, let's see here. There we go. So now I can do things as this particular user. It's pretty easy. All right, so I'm going to close that. The next thing I want to show you is the next command, right? So real quick, I'm going to go back to prompt, and so you can see it saves our state, right? So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to do the opposite of what I just did. So I'm going to do delete demo users, right? And then I'm going to hit enter. And there we go. We successfully deleted all those user accounts. But right now it'll appear like they're still there. But if I refresh the page, I'm going to use my mouse to do it. There you go. They're not there anymore. They're also not in the recycle bin. So we made sure to clean that up for you so that we don't have any artifacts there, right? So we just deleted and added those users. The other thing it does too is we're not circumventing the log either. So all this is still being logged, the user creations and deletions. So there's user removes and user deletes, new users. There you go. The only other thing to really put out there is we haven't run into it in testing yet, but if the user creation runs into an error, it'll have a slightly different message saying there was an error creating a user. And so if you want to do that, you can run the set debug command since you have the Upendo stuff, or excuse me, set debug. So that will show you more debugging information about it. So if there was an error creating a user, that's how you'd look it up. From there you go look at your log4net files. Well, again, as always, really excited to show you some new stuff that we're working on, and let us know what you think about this stuff. Leave a comment, whether it's on the blog or the video. And wow, I can't believe somebody just rang my doorbell. But leave a comment, and also we're looking for sponsors. So if you like what we do, if you get any value out of it, please, we just ask that you consider sponsoring us for any level. You can find the link below and anywhere inside of GitHub when you're looking at our stuff. Have a great day. Thank you so much.